M0FXB Hamtech, welcome to my channel. Going to make some videos looking at the IJV firmware. Now I saw this, it caught my attention. I mean, I know that all this firmware and all the work that these people are putting into these radios is amazing, UV5, K6 and other models. But this is the UV K5 model, I would say, with the Safari design. Now I'm going to do something and then I'm going to show you how to set it up. Then we're going to look at some of my basic learning about this system of firmware. So we're just going to press this button here and watch what happens. And look here, look at the bottom, you've got the CQ. And the TX light as well. So that's pretty cool, okay? I'm not a big CW person, but that's cool. The other really good thing about this firmware is, look, we've got single screen. If we go F then 2, we'll go to dual screen. So how did we set that up? Now I did have to sort of fathom around a little bit until I worked out how to set this up. And there's a couple of things you have to do. It's not major, and I'm just going to go through them one at a time. So the first one is go to menu 39. So we go menu 39 and just make sure that, see that this is selected here, DLMON, and just make sure that is turned on. Okay, once you've done that, then we're going to go to menu number 3. So we'll just exit and we'll go menu 3, and we need to select CW mode. Okay, now the way you change modes is you go menu, go up and down, same with the other function, menu, and you've got CW selected. Select a CW frequency, whatever it is in your country. So just when you're, because we're in VFO, to go to VFO mode, just go F, VFO, that's memory mode, and then we go F. You have to hold it down. F, hold. F, hold. That's memory channels, F, hold. If you want to go to single screen like I had just now, but it will do dual screen, and you can display the actual frequency, the frequency channel name, or both. You can actually do that, which is very, I think is pretty cool that it does that. Next thing we're going to do, we'll go into single mode by going F, then 2. That's single mode. If you go F2 again, dual mode, F2. So a lot of the functionality on the IJV is similar to the original, where you have the menu. If you go menu, and it's all down the side here, and then you have to press the F button before you go into functions. This isn't Exuma firmware. This is, this is IJV, and there are functions that developer has decided for this, for this system of enhancements for this radio. The next thing we're going to do is set the P1 button. So you got P1, P2. So programmable button 1, 2. You got PTT. Is we're going to program that to be the one that starts this process off. Okay, and you exit by just pressing the PTT. And the way we do that, we just go to menu. So we have to go to menu 60. Okay, so you go menu 60. And we're going into a secret menu here. I'm going to show you how to get into that. And, I don't really want anyone to unlock their radio, but in that secret menu, there's options there to unlock things as well. I believe that with the OpenTX, you have to select it 10 times before it does it. But anyway, if you go to menu 60 and just make sure you've selected CW call CQ for that button. If you go menu and you're selecting the side button here, what it does, we can select different items there, alarm, none, but we want CW call CQ menu and then exit. So we're actually ready to go now, as you can see. Now I'll just show you how to do the secret menu. You've got to turn off the radio, press the button here underneath the S1 and the PTT, hold them down and turn it on. So it's quite fiddly, hold them both, turn it on. So then it says release keys, and when you go menu now, you'll be able to go up or down until you see the secret menu, okay? Just quickly scroll through them. Squelch noise, squelch glee is that? TX calibrate, frequency calibrate, TX EN, I actually don't know what they are. I'm brand new to this. FM radio on off. So that's a side button. And so the second button has been programmed to turn the radio on and off, the broadcast radio. Flashlight, and then VFO swap. So you've got long and short press. That's why you've got the 1L and this S for short. And so a short press is CW core. You go menu and you can select that 60. And that's it. And when you exit, you're ready to go. Okay, you just press that button and it does it. So that's the CW side. Now let's just look at some basics here. And I'm sort of learning with you here. But as far as I can see, to go into dual screen mode, we're just going to go F2. That's dual mode. We can now type the frequency. exit that. 145. Now the thing that you have to remember, keep meaning to exit this. Right, sorry about that. 145. 0, 0. You have to add more zeros for it to be in. And now it's in, okay? See, we're in CW mode. Now, the mode number is menu 3. So we go menu 3. You've got mode. We're going to go menu. We're going to choose FM, okay? Then exit, and we're in FM. If you want to do your CT CSS, you go menu 9. And you can select your CT CSS. So we'll go menu. We'll do 94.8. Menu. We've set the CT CSS. Now we want the direction. Actually, we'll put in 145,600. That's GB3WR. Remember the extra noughts. FM wide at the moment. For the offset, we want menu number 7. And it's already set to 600, but if we want to change it, we just press menu, and then we just start to type the numbers. 0, 0, 0, and it's going to be 600. It would be, let's exit that. It would be 7.600 if you were doing a 70 centimeter repeater. We'll just press TX. I don't know why TX is disabled, but anyway, there's going to be a reason. Have we set the shift direction? We need to set that, so we go menu 6. There, that's why it was bad TX. So we go menu, and we want plus or minus. We want minus, menu, exit. Hopefully now we can TX. Now, it's not something I've done to stop the TXing, but we'll work that out. I'm just going through the basics here. So you can type, you can choose your tone, your shift, your CT, CSS. The power is menu 5. Okay, menu 5, then you can go up or down. Press menu first, up or down, and then choose your power, exit. To go into memory mode, you just see the VFO, you just go F, then 3. F3, F3. F, hold it down. That's better. You have to hold it. F, hold. That's what I'm forgetting to do. F, I'm so used to Exuma. You can see that. There's a selection in the menu where you can choose whether you want to display, the frequency and the name, or just the frequency, or just the name. You choose that just in your menu settings. Let's start to scroll through the menus and just look at things. We're going to go menu and just scroll through. Dual receive is menu 56. We'll go right to the end and walk backwards. TX VFO, you're going to decide where you TX. So it says same VFO. Not sure why I'm not TX. Somehow I've locked the TX. There's quite advanced AGC adjustments in this system. We're at the beginning now. So number 1 is squelch. Your frequency step. There's quite fine tuning as well. The mode, and you've got FM, AM, DSB, CW, and back to FM. Leave it on AM for a bit. Go exit, and we'll go to FVFO, like so. Let's type it in 1338500. That's airband. I don't think we're going to receive anything, but you can see it does do airband. If we're going to choose, has anyone tried to choose 7 megahertz? Let's try it. I've not tried this. Okay, not sure about that, but we'll go F. What we will try is go F band. See that F, the number 1. See the bands? I mean, it's crazy how many it does, isn't it? I mean, 15, is that 15 megahertz? Because that would be cool, wouldn't it? If you could do 14 megahertz would be better, wouldn't it? Someone else sent me some firmware saying it will do 20 megs. I'll try that one out. It's different than this one. Just experimenting now. Yeah, so you've got 15. Okay, let's just keep looking what else some of these buttons do. So we press and hold down the F. Nothing. If we go F0, oh, the F locked it. We go F0, okay, F, press hash to unlock. Hopefully we did then. There's your radio, so F0.
As a humanist, what makes
Let's do the star. Hold down the star. That's scanning. Okay, let's exit that. Let's just press it briefly. I think that's DTMF. In the wrong button, but that is DTMF, isn't it? I'm in the wrong band now, aren't I? Exit. Just have to push the buttons a bit harder. Let's try. So you know DTMF. We'll go F6. That's your power changing here. I know you can really fine tune the power on this one as well. It's in the menu. Let's try F5. Something's happening up here. So of course, you know, you're going to say read the manual. Let's do F4. Oh, frequency scanning. So if I grab one of my radios and key the mic, just did that, and you saw it came up. I keyed the mic and it came up there straight away, and you can see the CTCSS as well, and you can even save it. Look, I'm just going to go yes. Okay, so we've done all the buttons. Should we try F7? I think I did do something, and it actually keyed then. So what did we change? F8, looks like it could be reverse. Reverse, XT. See that? RT, XT, is that the cross mode type thing? Let's do 9. That's just changing the memory. F9. Exit. Got the torch as usual, just press the bottom one if we hold it down. Radio, so I think that's about it. I mean, they're lovely radios, aren't they? You can see that. It's even got a camouflage battery. I do really like this one. These are, you can get these for about £12. They have a massive battery, the UV, Quashang UV. I bought it just for the battery because I thought, well, the battery's going to cost me a lot more. A spare battery, so I think it looks lovely. Lovely looking radio. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Bye for now. 7.3 IJV. Thank you very much. 7.3.